Congratulations.
Congratulations!
Congratulations.
Congrats!
Congratulations.
Congrats!
Congratulations. Congratulations.
Congratulations!
Congratulations.
Congratulations!
Sabi mo, congratulations. Ish. Okay. Okay. Bye-bye na, bye-bye. Hi, Ish. Happy graduation. Congrats.
Maghanap ka na ng boyfriend.
O yan, maghanap ka na daw ng boyfriend. Narinig mo, ha?
Enjoy mo muna yung bakasyon. Yan.
O yan, ha? Enjoy mo daw muna yung bakasyon.
O siya, babalik na kami sa trabaho.
O yan, babalik daw muna kami sa trabaho, ha? Sige, bye-bye. Congrats.
Congratulations, Ish. Sana maging successful ka sa magpipili mong career. And ang Chessa, huwag kalilimutan, siya ang iyong maging gabay.
Ish na, congratulations.
Hello, Wish. Happy graduation. Congratulations nga pala. And good luck sa career na papasukin mo.
Ish na, congrats. I love you.
Ayos na, congratulations. Sa wakas nakagraduate ka na rin, hindi ka na malilate sa mga classes mo. Good luck na lang sa lahat ng future plans mo, sana lahat ng wishes mo magkatotoo. Congratulations ulit!
Ay, i-greet nga lang pala kita, Ish. Sorry. I carried away. Congratulations and good luck to your future endeavors.
Congratulations, happy graduation. Graduate ka na lang sa ALES International Science Bank. Kala ko high school ka lang eh. Anyway, pagpasensyan mo na itong low resolution video na ito kasi medyo nawala na naman yung physical ko kanina sa Cebu. Medyo focus itong video na ito. Happy graduation ulit. Congratulations and good luck.
Congratulations, just a cheesecake dish na.
Congratulations. Someone I don't think you know me. Congratulations.
Hi, Ishna! Congratulations for winning the best in swimwear. I told you I'm so confident, but this is my first pageant ever. And I'm so sorry. Ayun lang.